Hey, stargazers. In the 19th century, astronomers thought they had discovered a brand new element, one not found anywhere on Earth. They named it Nebulium. But there was just one problem: it didn't exist. It all began in the mid-1800s, when scientists began using spectroscopy to analyze light from celestial objects. By breaking down the light from stars and nebulae into spectra, they could identify the chemical composition of distant space. But when astronomers turned their instruments toward bright nebulae, like the Orion Nebula, something strange appeared. Two green spectral lines that didn't match anything known on Earth. Nothing matched them, not hydrogen, not helium, not any known element. These two spectral lines, at 495.9 and 500.7 nanometers, were unlike anything ever observed. British astronomer William Huggins, one of the pioneers of astronomical spectroscopy, was among the first to notice this anomaly. So, scientists came to a radical conclusion: this must be a new element. They called it Nebulium, after the glowing nebulae where it seemed to exist. But this wasn't just a name. For decades, it was considered a serious scientific proposal. An element that existed only in space, never on Earth. Was it alien in origin? Was the periodic table incomplete? But despite all efforts, no one could isolate Nebulium. No laboratory could reproduce its spectral lines. The element refused to show itself. Something wasn't adding up. The breakthrough came in the 1920s, thanks to physicist Ira Bowen. He had a revolutionary idea. What if those green lines weren't from a new element at all? What if they were from a common element, behaving in a very uncommon way? Bowen discovered that in the extremely thin gas of nebulae, certain forbidden transitions, electron jumps that almost never happen under Earth-like conditions, could happen. And when they did, they emitted light at those exact green wavelengths. These transitions are called forbidden not because they're impossible, but because they're extremely unlikely under normal conditions. But in the near vacuum of a nebula, where atoms are isolated and collisions are rare, the universe plays by different rules. Bowen realized the green lines weren't from a new element at all. They came from doubly ionized oxygen that had lost 2 electrons, specifically O3 as it's known today. And just like that, Nebulium vanished from the periodic table. Not with a bang, but with a revelation. It was never an element, it was a clue. A glimpse into the strange physics of interstellar space. The story of Nebulium reminds us of something powerful. Science is a process of mystery, revision, and discovery. Sometimes, what seems like an alien element is just the universe whispering in a language we haven't yet learned to hear. If you enjoyed this journey through one of astronomy's greatest mix-ups, hit that like button and subscribe for more tales from the cosmos. Until next time, stay curious.